If anyone needs to hire a potential actor, contact them immediately.
还有一只，这是边牧吗？
What happens when you and your boyfriend are in a long-distance relationship? You don't get 100 points after many nights of staying up late studying. When you see someone approaching your crush. Bestie wants to find her ex-boyfriend, and this is you. Choosing to be the queen of humans is the husky's best choice.
Nee.
Don't forget that God always has a plan for you. The reason some people never get fat.
Bye, have a great time.
Disturbs you when you're about to bathe to meet crush. Does anyone know what this sport is? Everything is less important when your body's itching.
Oh. Wow. Wow.
The moment you realize this will be your loyal customer. Don't forget to thank the scientists for discovering the true sense of the tongue. If you feel like life is easy, he's ready to give you a challenge. Neighbours see you with strangers, be like, when the signal of love comes when you're focusing on a career. Her idol is definitely Kim Kardashian. You, after 2 hours of hiding from your parents to go out with your crush.
Coconut, get away from me.
Top things with no explanation. Dog actions.
Don't do it. No, have mercy.
Point of view. Your crush said she only likes tall people.
What are you doing, buddy?
Man, I know.
Why wait for the door to open when you can create your own?
Big dude chilling, expecting everything. What are you doing?
Crush says he wants to see you right away, and this is you. Point of view. You're ready to rate a 1 star for this service. When all the hard work pays off. Press F to rescue this monk. The only barrier that stands in our way to the intellectual path. You accidentally ate all of the dog's candy.
¡Te mamaste! ¡Pendeja!
You hear what I'm saying?
Nothing to be afraid of when you're the boss in the house, not the humans.
You will get in trouble. Do you want to pop pop? Do you want to pop pop? Drop it out your mouth now.
When there's a party, but you're on a diet. Hopefully, he'll catch fish with his skills soon. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.